Hey Wisp entrepreneurs and business owners. Ever feel like those credit card processing fees are eating into your profits? Well, I'm here to tell you that you don't have to just accept it. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to pass those fees along to your customers the right way. Now, before you start worrying about scaring off customers, let me assure you, this is a common practice and when done correctly, can actually improve your bottom line without alienating your clientele. First things first, you need to make sure your payment processor settings in Visp allows you to add surcharges or fees for credit card transactions. Popular options like Stripe, PaidUp, IPPay, and PayPal all have this functionality in Visp. Now let's get into the how-tos. First, find your payment gateway settings. Go to the 9-dot menu or app launcher, click on the Billing tab and select Payments. Select your processor. Under Payment Gateways, choose your payment gateway, Stripe, IPPay, PaidUp. Next, locate the section and enable the option Charge Item when processing a credit card payment. This is where the magic happens. Click on the blue highlighted text and add a new fee. You can usually choose between a flat fee or a percentage. Name your fee clearly. Something like credit card processing fee is both transparent and straightforward. Save your changes. And that's it. Now, whenever a customer pays with a credit card, the fee will be automatically added to their invoice. Remember, transparency is key. Make sure the fee is clearly displayed on your invoices and at your point of sale. You can even add a little note explaining that it helps to cover the processing cost. So there you have it. No more letting those processing fees eat into your hard-earned profits. Implement these steps today and start taking control of your finances. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the Visp channel for more business tips. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you don't miss any future uploads. See you in the next video.